Take a ride in the 2012 Lincoln MKX. The Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, all-wheel drive, four-wheel independent suspension, tire pressure monitoring system, rear window defroster, cruise control, electrochromic rear view mirror, rear cargo lamp, universal garage door opener. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.